Big breaking news coming in from Punjab. A big terror plot has been foiled with the terror bust right ahead of Independence Day. IED and tiffin bombs recovered. Hand grenade cartridges also recovered. 3 bombs in tiffin boxes recovered by Punjab police. These tiffin bombs were dropped via drones, according to Punjab police. The drones came from Pakistan. This is the latest information coming in, where the DGP of Punjab in a press conference has revealed that ammunition has been recovered in the form of a tiffin box that carried 3 bombs. Let's listen in to DGP Punjab, Dinkar Gupta.
सानू कुछ हैंड ग्रेनेड्स रिकवर हुए हैं, कुछ कार्ट्रिजेस रिकवर हुए हैं, and the most important recovery is of a what we call a tiffin box bomb. Tiffin box bomb, a tiffin box, what we will call a improvised explosive device. Our assessment is that this bomb has been delivered through a drone from across the border.
Gurpreet joining us with more inputs on this. Gurpreet, we just heard the DGP saying that tiffin bombs dropped through drones and Pakistan's hand is suspected. What more do we know about this, Gurpreet?
Well, yes, of course, that this is a huge recovery which has been made by the Punjab police, and the DGP has just briefed about all these things. And the main worrisome situation which DGP has indicated, that was very clear. He says that this time that these tiffin bombs have already been recovered, and these bombs can be misused by across the borders, and all the drone movement had already been seen for the last so many days, and we have seen that how this moment is being done from across the border. So all these questions are being asked by the DGP, and he has already given a high alert in Punjab, especially in the wake of 15th of August, which is already coming on. He says that only a week has already been left, and no, that's why a high alert has already been issued.
All right, Gurpreet, now this is again, like you said, a big development, also a big success for Punjab police in the way that a terror plot, a possible terror plot, a potential terror plot has been busted. Is that what the DGP believes?
Well, yes, of course, that the DGP says that the way the huge recovery has already been made, it has already put a lot of questions that why this recovery has already been sent from across the border. Now, at this point of time, he says that initially they have recovered all these things. Now the investigation is already going on, but it's a suspicion and suspected because huge number of ammunition and especially such type of sophisticated equipment has already been sent from across the border. So it seems that for 15th of August, they could be planning a big terror plot in the state, and that's why this huge recovery has already been made. But he says that security agencies are already alert, and that's why this recovery has been made from locations, and now the investigation is underway.
All right, Gurpreet, thanks for giving us the latest inputs on this.